Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Don't forget about the amazing 2 specials for July. First of all, we've got the Designer Series Paper Special. It's only for the month of July. If you buy any 3 packs from the list that I provided for you, you're going to get a 4th pack absolutely free. So it's buy 3, get 1 free. Great deal, so I hope you've been saving up for that. Stock up, now's a great time. I don't know about you, if it's free, it's always for me. The other special is the amazing custom starter kit. So for those of you that don't know what this is, it's an opportunity for you to build your own custom kit of Stampin' Up! Products. Now you cannot choose host exclusive stamp sets, nor can you do the buy 3, get 1 free in the starter kit, because those things are already discounted. But the starter kit allows you an opportunity to purchase $125 of catalog product and pay a reduced price of $99. But during July, from the 1st through the 31st, you're going to be able to add an entire stack of Color Family ink pads. That's 10 ink pads for absolutely free. That's a $67.50 value. But in addition to that, all of that is going to ship directly to you absolutely free. I don't know about you, more free, definitely for me. Now, when I talk about color families, I want to make sure that you understand that's the 10 brights, the 10 subtles, the neutrals, the regals, or all 10 in color ink pads. You can choose any of those as your free ink pad selection when you do your custom starter kit. The other great thing about this custom starter kit is it gives you a chance to test drive the demonstrator discount. Now, I don't want that word demonstrator to start freaking you guys out, so I want to explain a little bit about it. Stampin' Up!, oh gosh, 30 years ago now, was built on hobby paper crafters just like you. There are people who loved Stampin' Up! Products and they absolutely loved buying them, but they wanted them at a discount. So if you're looking for a discount on your Stampin' Up! Products, the Custom Starter Kit is a way to go, because you're going to get $125 in product for only $99, free shipping, and right now in July, any 10 colors in a Color Family ink pads absolutely free. The other great thing about this 20% demonstrator discount, this trial run, is you're going to be able to use that discount clear until January 2019. Can you believe it? I mean, it's a whole 6 months. That's going to bring you through the holiday catalog and the occasions catalog pre-buy. So not just this catalog, but 2 more that are coming. As demonstrators, and I'm using that word loosely, you are not obligated to do any classes, workshops, online sales, parties, collect anything, do blogs, videos, any of that stuff. We are happy to have the hobby paper crafter or the hobby demonstrator. As a matter of fact, 80% of my team is built specifically on hobby stampers who just enjoy the Stampin' Up! Discount for themselves. So I would love to have you guys join my team. And you may be wondering, what happens by January? What's the requirement? What do I have to sell? Well, after that, if you do not have accumulation of $300 in gross catalog purchases, now keep in mind when I say gross, that's before your discount, we get credit for the whole catalog price even though we only pay 20% less. You'll automatically revert back to a customer. So you're going to get the first 3 months with absolutely no obligation. So that's July, August, and September. The second 3 months are October, November, December, the biggest paper crafting months of the year. If the $300 is not met by then, that gives you all of January as what we call a pending month, a month to catch up to see if maybe you still want to keep going. If the $300 is not reached by then just go back to being a customer. You know what? There's no way to lose with this deal. It is absolutely fabulous. And I think with all the starter kit specials we have had in the past, I think this one by far is probably the best value. But I think some of you might really enjoy taking advantage of it. And if you have questions about it, please by all means let me know. If you need more information, head over to my blog, and on the very first home screen you'll see my picture and there will be a little script there and it says learn more. If you click on the learn more and then make sure you scroll all the way through there, you'll see some really great ways that I support my team. I will see you guys live on YouTube for another fabulous demonstration. That's coming up really quick. July 12th is around the corner. Have a fantastic 4th of July weekend, you guys, and I'll be back to see you soon.